Welcome back. We are 3 weeks to the 100-day mark, and how you score the Trump presidency depends on how you look at it. If you look at it from an economic perspective, jobs added during the Trump presidency this past week was a bit of a warning sign. Only 98,000 jobs created in March. You see that down from the more robust job growth this going back to the Obama administration. 1 month or a problem in the economy? We'll keep an eye on that. Here's another way to look at it, though, and this one shines favorably on the president. The unemployment rate, not the jobs created. The unemployment rate, pop that up there, now at a 10-point low. That's a good thing for the president. If you score this all by your 401k, so far so good. A little dip recently, but so far so good for President Trump. Here's the big question at the 100-day mark. Repeal or replace Obamacare? That failed. America First economy? Depends on your perspective, not the tough action on trade, as we discussed, many expected. Immigration enforcement has been strengthened. The wall, a giant question mark going forward, and we don't have an infrastructure plan from the president yet, even though that was a big 100-day priority. Still, President Trump says all is fine.